Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. So today ngizobala nje wonke ama-transfer news engiwakhumbulayo. Okay, amanye ngizowabheka ama-player ajoyine amanye ama-club. Soqala-ke ngama-team amakhulu bafethu esiwaziyo, Orlando Pirates, i-Kaizer Chiefs, iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns isayine ama-player ambalwa kakhulu bafethu, amancane compared to wonke ama-teams waku-P_S_L. For the first time iMamelodi Sundowns ingayi all out, isayine ama-Portuguese international awu-2, uNuno Santos noMiguel Resinho, then basayine uBasadeni, and then basayine uNtsiki Ntshabeleng. 4 players nje kuphela babasayinile laphana overall. uNuno Santos-ke siyambona ukuthi already uya-adaptable and lase-South Africa. Ulo uBasadeni uyastruggle. uNtshabeleng akakadlali amagame amaningi, simbonile angena boma-second half lapho nalapho. uBasadeni ku-in and out of i-starting lineup and even i-match day squad. Then songena bakwe-Kaizer Chiefs. Sibone ukuthi obani seba-impress. I-Kaizer Chiefs isayine ama-players awu-11 overall bafowethu. Soqala nje ngoBatman noVelebayi from i-Cape Town Spurs, abangakatholi i-opportunity yokuthi badlale because of isakhuluma icala labo, but sobona lizosolveka nje in no time. And then kuno-Cheslete, uCheslete abamsayine laphana e-England, kunoShinga abamsayine ePortugal, kunoLebohang Maboya abamsayine laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke bekayi-free agent, umdlalo una-30. Kuno-Ighodaro, kunoThabiso Munyane, kunoPaseka Mako, kunoSilva, kunoMayo, umuntu-ke ojoyine ekugcineni kunabo bonke-ke bafowethu. uMayo i-playlist super exciting kakhulu, already senegoli laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke kuzoya ngayo umfowethu ukuthi uqhubeka kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukushape izinto noku-influencer nje overall. But is expected to hit the ground running laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs futhi a-contribute kakhulu. I mean even amanye ama-player akhuluma kahle ngaye kakhulu laphana in terms of what he brings to the team, because uyi-team player. I mean if he's willing ukusiza futhi ezinye i-striker ukuthi zidlale kahle, uDuba ukuthi ba-train extra hard, i-player leli bafowethu i-Kaizer Chiefs engakwazi ngempela ukwenza izinto zenzeke ngaye, and mentally uyambona ukuthi u-super strong ngempela, ukuthi uyafuna ukuthi i-team yenze kahle. It's not about yena nje kuphela. Mobheka uNdlovu abamsayine ku-SuperSport United, naye laphana ku-midfield uyambona ukuthi i-workaholic umfana, never die attitude. Uyazama ngempela ukuphusha for i-Kaizer Chiefs noma edlala laphana. Small in frame or structure, but the heart of a lion is willing to give everything for the team. Uyakwazi ukurecover amabhola, uyakwazi ukuqala ama-counter attack, une-energy eserious ngempela. And then u-Ighodaro-ke i-striker lesi-Mamelodi Sundowns singakazi sidlalele iMamelodi Sundowns, naye he's expected ukuthi ngempela Kaizer Chiefs ashaye amagoli ngoba uyi-proven goal scorer. uLebohang Maboya naye sikakamboni laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uShinga asikakamboni, uCheslete asikakamboni, uBatman noVelebayi asikakababoni bobawu-4. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kusamele i-introduce ama-players amaningi bafethu bawasayinile, sobona ukuthi azofitha kanjani to i-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But yeah, they're expected to just hit the ground running overall bafethu. Then songena ku-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates the biggest signing yabo-ke Oswena Policy, umuntu befuna i-country yonke, but Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuwina i-race, hit the ground running laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Is highly influential. Orlando Pirates udlala kahle kakhulu umfethu, uyadeliver week in and week out. Moments la kubonakala ngathi Police ngekafithe ku-Orlando Pirates, but he just needed time to adapt. But asibabale bonke before sibabala one by one ne-influence yabo. kunoMariko abawu-2 bafowethu ababuya laphana eMali, but omunye ulaphana ku-Chippa United ku-loan, omunye udlala laphana i-midfielder ku-Orlando Pirates siyambona. And then obuya kuMarumo Gallants, uMasindi Nemtanjela udlale kahle kakhulu, simbonile uthola i-man of the match naye izolo bafowethu. I-player ngempela ku-Orlando Pirates elingaba highly influential. uNdaba laphana ku-Richards Bay, uMbuthuma, uKwayibo, uMuremo, uSibelebele, uSiema, uMbule, uNduli, uTshepo Mashilwane. uTshepo-ke bafowethu bamsayinile, but guess what, bavele bamlona immediately. to Isikhukhune United after kumnika i-game time, but umfana-ke i-game time azange ayigrabhe with both hands. Bawubona laphana ukuthi okay akaka-adapte ebholeni ku-Orlando Pirates, but akumenzi ukuthi abe yi-bad player. Sometimes bafethu it's too hard ukudlalela i-team enkulu, and then you need a bit of time to adapt. Unfortunately-ke Orlando Pirates, you're not given leso sikhathi leso ukuthi u-adapt. You are not gonna get that sikhathi ukuthi u-adapt. You have to hit the ground running immediately. So that's the saddest part about ama-team amakhulu. It's not even about Orlando Pirates kuphela, but wonke ama-team amakhulu, you have to hit the ground running. Abanye singababala bafethu aba-highly influential for Orlando Pirates abaphakamisa isandla ngempela babonakalisa. Already uSibelebele njengoba laphana ku-Orlando Pirates is highly influential and sekakuBafana Bafana. uSipho Mbuli naye sekakuBafana Bafana. uSipho Mbuli is in and out of his starting 11 se-Orlando Pirates, asikho sure ngaye, kusho ukuthi akakabi fully fit. Kusamele asebenze kanzima ngempela, maybe drop few kilos, because uma umbheka uSipho Mbuli akusiwo lo Sipho Mbuli lo sisa-introduce kuye. We know he's growing up, but like he has to drop, and then he has to really contribute to a different aspect of the game, not just when he holds the ball. But we ball player at the end of the day, but modern game requires you to cover different spaces. But you must bear overall like ama-signings Orlando Pirates, siyabona ukuthi i-depth bafethu quality galore. Siyabona ukuthi okay ama-player ngempela azo-contribute ku-Orlando Pirates amaningi. Because mangibheka, I mean ngibone uNdaba, I didn't pay attention to him much, but ngimbone laphana ku-left back, i-energy yakhe, he's very strong, he's powerful. He's just 22 years old. Bamsane ku-Richards Bay, but he's super exciting in terms of left back laphana. Mbuthuma-ke naye still getting into the gear ku-Orlando Pirates. Sombona ukuthi uzo-contribute kanjani. Nokwayiba naye still getting there, but uMuremi already is raising his hand ukuthi ukhona ku-Orlando Pirates. So ama-performers nje, ama-good performers amasha laphana ku-Orlando Pirates would count Police. uNduli-ke laphana is bossing the midfielder, maker sure to protect i-defense nge-aggression yakhe. So Police uNduli, uMboli, uSiyema laphana emuva nasedlala amagame amaningi kakhulu. I-partnership yakhe noMbokazi siyayibona. So abanye-ke they have to catch up, bazame ngempela u-catch up to i-standards sabanye abadlali abasibonisile ngempela. Yeah, I think singababala nabanye abadlali. Let's check ukuthi sobala abakuphi. I mean, I would like to go straight to iStellies bafethu. iStellenbosch siyazi ukuthi si-replace ngama-super talented players isikhathi esiningi. Basayine iplayer la overseas uHarry Stenick bafethu, bamsayina laphana e-Europe, and then khona omunye futhi abamsayine e-Europe Azerbaijan, uManafov na 27 overall, and then khona bamsayine kuMarumo Gallant uThapelo Mokobodi na 22 years old, and then khona-ke ona 24 abamsayine laphana oke wafunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs, okwabayirada ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi wenzakalani ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingamtholi. Udlala i-midfielder uMthiyani bafowethu, simbonile laphana edlala kahle kakhulu. I mean iplayer ku-midfield elikwaziyo ngempela ukukhompyutha laphana. And then khona uNkwali waku-Cape Town Spurs, khona uKhanyi waku-Hungry Lions, and then basayine uBoone lena-ke eNew Zealand. So ama-player ngempela angakwazi ukuyisiza i-TS Galaxy, but at the same time I think for me this is one of their lowest lokhu njani signings, because njalo bayahambisa ama-players wabo a-good, but bawa-replace ngama-player equally good. Uma ubheka lama-player lawo engisambonile impressa uMthiyani superstar, but abanye they have to really catch up and prove ukuthi why babasayinile laphana. But after loko, before ngena kwenye team bafethu, ngifuna ukufocusa kulaba babalonile, or ngiyeke uSiwelele FC because babathanda ama-loan kakhulu. Thingivele ngiyeke uSiwelele FC. Bano-Happy Mashiyane we-Kaizer Chiefs, noSamukelo Zwane we-Kaizer Chiefs from i-loan, and then banoTebogo Potsane bafethu abamsayine from i-Kaizer Chiefs. i-Kaizer Chiefs meyiqeda ukumrelease laphana. Then khona oweSikhukhune United, i-proven goal scorer oHizu, una-28 owashaya amagoli, naye bamsayinile laphana, but-ke on loan again. Then kunoLakey, uLakey siyazi une-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, wadlalela ama-team amakhulu. Bamsayine from i-team yase-India, and then kunoZakhele Lipasa obuya straight from Orlando Pirates, naye bamsayinile. kunoMakhelo bamthathe ku-Chippa United, kunoBuhle Mkhwanazi bafowethu. uBuhle Mkhwanazi one-experience enkulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, siyamazi laphana ko-Bidvest Wits, player elingaba important kakhulu ukubasiza laphana as Isiwelele. And then banoSiphelele Ntuli, yena-ke unattached, bekanganayo i-team before bamsayina laphana. So ngiyabona ukuthi Isiwelele sishape-ile ngempela, bayafuna ukulokhunjani ukusayina ama-player noma ukuletha ama-player good. So bona ukuthi oMashiyane be-Kaizer Chiefs noSamukelo Zwane, when they are given ama-game time bazokwazi ukuba highly influential nokudiliva ngempela ama-results for i-team. So ngena ku-TS Galaxy bafethu. i-TS Galaxy-ke i-TS Galaxy yasayina-ke, isayinile bafethu 14 players overall. Basayina iplayer lase-Netherlands laphana bafethu, Ezra, iplayer ngempela lase-Netherlands eli-expected ukuthi mhlampe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kulona ku-TS Galaxy lezi zinto zenzeke. Baningi abantu, bambalwa abantu ababasayinile vele from North South Africa, because basayine umuntu wase-Netherlands and then basayine umuntu wase-United States bafethu, uMedi, yeah, uye una-26, and then basayine noKeita kusi-South Africa, and then basayine nomunye uJunior Zingada, yeah, from Marumo Gallants. Glimpse of a great player laphana, because he's able to take players on, player elingaba highly influential given i-game time right. And then uZulu abamthathe kuMarumo Gallants again. Then banoPatrick Fisher, Cape Town City laphana overall, uMpumelelo Ndaba, Orlando Pirates, vele ubuya kuma-junior. And then kwaba noNtando Yenkosi, banomfana laphana bamthathe ku-National First Division, uMuletshe, banoWilliams bamthathe naye ku-National First Division, then omunye banoGeorge bamthathe ku-National First Division, and then banoSiyabonga bamthathe ku-Pretoria Kalisi, and then banoMatome abamthathe laphana ku-GR Stars overall bafowethu. So ama-player-ke lawa maybe angenza izinto zenzeke overall for i-TS Galaxy. Iqale kahle isizini, siyazi ukuthi bakhona amanye ama-player contributor kakhulu, but yeah, bazodinga wonke ama-player abawasayinile to come to the party immediately, kungalindwa. Bakwazi ngempela ukwenza izinto, bashape izinto laphana. But-ke okay, iSkhukhune United, asingeneni ku-iSkhukhune United. They're one of the biggest teams in South African football in recent years. I mean, we've seen what they've done throughout. Banawo bayakwazi ngempela ukuthola ama-player super exciting. iSkhukhune United sisayine immediately player elisayinwe i-Orlando Pirates bafethu, Elisha, ekumele noma the guy is expected ukuthi yenze izinto zenzeke laphana. uTshepo Mashelwane, we-Orlando Pirates bamsayine from iBaroque Pirates, and then bamlona immediately to ilokhunjana iSkhukhune United. But iSkhukhune United sisayine namanye ama-player Ronaldo, we-Chippa United, uSiphiwe Mahlangu laphana we-TS Galaxy. Then basayine iplayer bafethu, ugoalkeeper one-experience kakhulu bafethu, uToster, simbonile vimba kahle kakhulu. Bamsayine laphana lokhunjana eZambia, yes. And then khona uGrobler kune-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, bamthathe ku-SuperSport United, because last season before i-SuperSport United bayithengisa, ugcine khona ukudlala laphana. Banomunye ugoalkeeper uSaphunga, and then banomuntu abamthathe kuBaroka laphana, uSydney Maliva, if ngisho kahle igama lakabafo, nomunye uMadi waku-Pretoria Kalisi, noMampuru wakuMataxi, uBantokulo, yes, waku-Casrick Stars, and then uGama waku-Venda Football Club. So they were able to make those signings. Ama-signings are important kakhulu, and obviously akusiyi-super team enayo yonke imali emhlabeni, but njalo they're able to make good decisions ukuthi basayine ama-player. But high profile player-ke, uBradley Grobler, umuntu opruvayo nje ukuthi i-age is just a number. I mean 2 months inyane lapha nethimini, but-ke ubonakala ngathi contender of like udlala kahle kakhulu man, ungaba i-top goal scorer contender laphana kuphethe premiership overall. Umdlali-ke lo exciting kakhulu in terms of nje ukushaya amagoli overall. I mean amanye ama-teams esingawabheka bafowethu, akwazile ukusayina ama-player. Singaya ku-Chippa United. Chippa United announce ama-player amaningi kakhulu bafowethu. Ithathe nama-player ane-experience abuya ku-Orlando Pirates. I don't know ukuthi i-announce ama-player amaningi, but ithi singene kwama-player we-Chippa United. Khona uGoodman Musele we-Orlando Pirates laphana. Khona uThobeni naye obuya ku-Orlando Pirates. Then khona uMariko naye obuya ku-Orlando Pirates. Ama-loan, so ama-loan awu-2 kaGoodman noMariko, and then ulona uThobeni-ke bamthole nge-permanent deal. kunoSemi-ke bafethu iplayer leli eline-experience ebholeni lase-South Africa like ladlala eMamelodi Sundowns, dlala phana ku-midfielder. Then kunoBandile Dlamini obuya ku-Royal AM. Then uThulani Mini ubuya ku-Stellenbosch. And then siyamazi uNtsundwana bafethu i-striker laphana besidlala laphana ku-Richards Bay. And then kunoJustice Fide whatever lelo gama lelo bafethu niyamazi. Justice kubuya laphana ku-Richards Bay. And then ku-Cape Town City basanama-player awu-2, Sithole noFasika. So yeah, and then bayaqhubeka uGamaldini bafethu i-strike eline-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa na-36 manje, bamsayinile. Laphana uBanele Hlophe Nigeria Stars, uHarold Mataxi, Mfecane. Leli player-ke li-exciting kakhulu-ke bafethu. Abantu mabengalungisa i-final product yakhe laphana phambili, decision making, uzokwazi ngempela ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Then one of the biggest names in terms of i-amateur, especially third division laphana, uThamsanqa Magwaza bafethu aka Shaka Zulu. I-player-ke balisayinile uChippa United immediately ku-first team, lidlala khona, udlalile kwamanye ama-game, but-ke siyabona ukuthi bambuyisela emuva laphana to i-DDC team yabo ukuthi akwazi ukubasiza abafana. Singeneni ku-Durban City bafethu, i-team entsha ecoacha uGavin Hunt, i-team lena esithusile eqale ngakhona laphana isizini. They've made some really good signings in terms of like even ama-loan. Bane-player la kuMamelodi Sundowns uTerence Mashego ona-29 bamthole nge-loan. Bano-Brooklyn abamthathe uSuperSport United. In fact uBrooklyn, but bamsayine kuSuperSport United umfethu. And then Asare sabamthathe laphana ku-team yaseGhana Asante. And then khona uLwamba bamthathe laphana ku-team yaseBotswana. And then i-player-ke bafethu leli uKopeng odlalela ama-team amaningi kakhulu laphana ku-South African football, bamthathe laphana ku-Orbit College, but bekayi-free agent. And then Appington bathathe ulona uMokoena laphana, uBokang Mokoena. And then uNodada-ke une-experience kakhulu, uDarren Kidd, uDomingo laphana ku-Cape Town City, uPatrick. So I mean uSifumba siyazi ukuthi i-player le-expected ukuthi lenze izinto zenzeke. Ku-Cape Town City bawathathile ngempela ama-player even naku-Stellenbosch. I mean even naku-Richards Bay they were able to sign. So bakwazile ngempela bafethu ukwasayina ama-player a-good, basayina ama-player amaningi kakhulu. AmaZulu-ke wona, I mean AmaZulu anama-new signings nje awu-7. So bathathe umuntu straight uThando Lwenkosi Ngwenya, bamthathe straight laphana ku-FC Platinum yaseZimbabwe. And then ku-Richards Bay-ke bathathe uKeegan Allen. Elinye umlungu madoda o-super exciting laphana. And then khona uRyan Mooney, i-striker wasithathe ku-Golden Arrows, but-ke bekubonakala ngathi kuzoba i-exciting striker because sekunesikhathi adlala ebholeni lase-South Africa, even ku-Kaizer Chiefs udlalile uye na-overseas, but akaze aba i-proven goal scorer, umuntu abangathembela kuye ngempela in terms of amagoli. And then khona-ke uJohnson abamthathe kuChippa United, uMaqokola abamthathe ku-JDR Stars, uThapelo laphana abamthathe ku-Kruger United, uLiam Ben abamthathe laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs. Asazi ukuthi icala lakhona lihamba kanjani, but i-player overall abalitholile laphana kulona ku-AmaZulu, 7 signings overall. And then amanye esingawabala i-Golden Arrows bakwazile ukuthola i-striker laphana, uDion already uyawashaya amagoli, is highly influential for bona. Then khona uKhomara bamthathe laphana Ivory Coast. And then khona u-Isaac naye bamthathe Ivory Coast. And then khona uRadebe bamthathe laphana ku-Royal AM. Maluleka kuKruger, oPhilane Khumalo bamthathe laphana ku-National First Division naye, uNtando Mabaso bamthathe ku-National First Division, same team laphana i-Midlands. Then uMabaso, uMadonsela basayine nje ku-team eyodwa. And then uKhumalo umthathe-ke ku-third division-ke naye. Midlands ku-second division if angenzi iphutha. And then bathathe ubani uKhumalo, yes. And then khona uJerome iplayer balithathe nalo ku-third division. Kusho ukuthi i-Golden Arrows imodel yabo kakhulu babathathe ku-third division, amaplayer amaningi abawasayinile ngoba basayine amaplayer u-10 overall. I mean, they're working within their budget ukuthi obviously bangalokhunjani, banga-break ibhenki overall. I mean, asingenele kuMarumo Gallants team nayo icoachwa ucoach omncane bafethu super exciting ebholeni lase-South Africa at the moment. Inama-high profile signings abafana bebaku-Orlando Pirates laphana, Ndlondlo and then uXadisa wawu-2 straight from Orlando Pirates. Khona uMacheke abamthathe laphana kuKruger, uBongo Lethu bamthathe laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, umfana bekalaphana on loan but-ke ku-Venda Football Club. And then khona uMatlongu bamthathe ku-Golden Arrows. Bawasayinile khona nabanye bamthathe eNamibia, uMbakondi, whatever that name is. Then khona uClifford-ke bafethu bamthathe laphana eBulgaria. Already uClifford ushaye igoli against i-Orlando Pirates, ushaye igoli elihle against i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu technique in terms of ukushootha is very good, but overall in terms of a footballer ngiyamdoubt, but he's been influential coming from the bench laphana ku-Marumo Gallants. And then khona-ke ulokhunjani bafethu uSimo Luthuli naye bamsayinile. But for me the biggest signing for bona uBheki Mabuza, umfana ona-22 years old abamthathe laphana ku-Marumo Gallants ku-Lirumo United wasethembisa. Unama-assist, unamagoli already this season, akasablutho umfana. They're giving him opportunities and then uyakwazi ukuwathatha ngempela. Against Orlando Pirates ube ne-assist, ushaye first goal of the season. Umuntu i-confidence yakhe ekhulayo ngempela, akatatazeli umfana, uyakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke, so simfisela inhlanhla. Then songena ku-Richards Bay bafethu, the Natal Rich Boys. Well, they didn't go all out in terms of like getting wonke ama-player because amanye bawathole mahhala, but umuntu omkhulu abamtholile uKamaldeen Mhango bafethu una-32, mthathe laphana kuMarumo Gallants bamthathe I think mahhala. Umtshala umthathe uSikhukhune United, uVilakazi, and then uZuke from i-Golden Arrows. Siyazi ukuthi uZuke waba ney'nkinga ne-Golden Arrows, uNzama ku-Milford, and then khona bamthathe ku-Center Chiefs eBotswana laphana uKitso, and then kunoMpumelela bamthathe kuSinenkani. So ama-player lawa akusiyo ama-player amaningi ngempela ngathi angatshentsha izinto, but-ke uMhango we-expected ngempela ukuthi yena noZuke because bane-experience laphana ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi mhlampe bangaletha ama-results angcono benze izinto zenzeke overall. Mina-ke sengangena kulona uPolokwane City. I mean iPolokwane City bafethu obvious bathatha ama-player ku-lower division isikhathi esiningi. Bathatha ama-player ko-Baroka, bathatha ama-player all over like ilona i-first division. Well, they didn't sign too many players, they signed obviously too many players from the National First Division. Phela cabanga bafethu. So basayine uMashiane-ke uye player bedlala ku-PSL, but-ke edlale kuthi PSL kuphi, ku-Royal AM last season, but sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Then basayine uMashudi ku-Black Leopard, ku-Venda Football Club basayine ulo Thabelo. And then-ke ku-Venda futhi basayina uThobo na-31 ku-Dolphins. The Dolphins I think baku-third division-ke basayina u-Ayanda Ngwenya. And then ku-Kallis basayina uSeketso ona-27. Kallis-ke ku-Pretoria Kallis basayine lama-player awu-4 alandelanayo bafethu, uSeketso, uSibone, uMalepe, and then basayine noMpho Mvundlela, yes. And then-ke kuma-Tuks basayina-ke uKelepu ona-26. Yeah, I mean, yeah, just National First Division kuphela naku-third division abanayo imali obvious yokusayina ama-player amakhulu ama-player serious, but they are squeezing whatever banakho nkosi yami bayakusebenzisa ngempela. But yeah, I mean sibafisela inhlanhla laphana ukuthi bakwazi ukukhompyutha, bakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. But yeah, iPolokwane City i-good team mawusibheka overall bafethu, i-team ekwaziyo ukulwa, i-team engasabi amanye ama-teams waku-P_S_L, i-team ehlezi ishaya ama-team amakhulu. Like every season siyazi ukuthi izowashaya ama-team lawa amakhulu given an opportunity yokuthi idlale nawo. I-team-ke engizongena kuyo after lana bafethu i-Orbit College, i-team entsha ebholeni lase-South Africa, especially ku-higher level. Orbit College, they don't have ama-financial muscles amakhulu, so they had to get ama-players from loan. Ku-Orlando Pirates basana ama-player u-3, obvious uMunapule Saleng, the biggest signing for bona, but umuntu oyaziyo i-team in and out because uke wadlala kuyisikhathi eside kuma-junior ranks, or yibo abami-introduce-ile basase-kuma-amateur side. And then kunoThuso Muliliki we-Orlando Pirates una-25, and then kunoYanga Matiba umfana udlala laphana i-left back but u-versatile, ulaphana kunaye ku-Orbit, straight from loan ku-Orlando Pirates. uSkhukhune United bathola uMkhabela bafowethu, uMuhlami bamthola laphana ku-Richards Bay, and then uMbulela bamthathe laphana kuMarumo Gallants, Gamede abamthathe ku-Hungry Lions, bano-Lucky Mahlatsi ona-19 abamthathe ku-Lerumo Lions, then bano-Cameron Chew, angimazi ukuthi bamthathephi umfowethu. Then isiplayer engathi ngaba influential obvious uSaleng, bamnika nebhande but simbonile ukuyoba ney'nkinga nano-coach, but-ke sobona overall ukuthi uSaleng uzodlala kanjani, uzoqeda isizini ekuphi because isizini yonke imdinga laphana kuloku Orbit College. But-ke nayi imagesi-ke ithi ama-champions we-Carling knockout last season bashaya ama-Mamelodi Sundowns, obviously bokuyi-biggest surprise. Banawo ama-player abawasayinile laphana, bane-player Wonderboy Makhubu bamsayine kulo Skhukhune United, and then banoMariba bamthathe kuSkhukhune, banoMusadi abamthathe kuSkhukhune again, banogama bamthathe kuSkhukhune. Mamelodi Sundowns bathathe uThabang Sibanyoni, iplayer elina-29 kuMamelodi Sundowns elingakaze lithole i-chance kahle, bayamlona umfana. Then uKabelo Mahlasela siyamazi-ke umfana ukuthi uke wadlala, I think it's Kaizer Chiefs if angenzi iphutha, kuma-Big 3, but bekaku-Royal AM. Then khona uSiphelele Majola bamthathe ku-Royal AM. Ku-Callis bathathe uLono Nkanyiso Zungu, kuPretoria Callis uke wadlala ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu. This is his chance obviously ukuthi alokhu njana abuyise i-career yakhe. And then bano-Regan van der Ross abamsayinile from whatever team, then bano-Catley Nepi, yes, I think that's the word if ngilisho kahle. Yeah, yiwo ama-player-ke bafowethu. I don't think if khona i-team engiyigejile-ke eyakhe, hhayi ngiyaxolisa bafowethu, but I've really tried to cover as many teams as I can. Ama-big signings, I think overall akhona ama-player afikile emathimini aba-highly influential immediately, kuwo wonke nje ama-team akhona ebholeni lase-South Africa overall. But yeah, bafana bonke sibafisela inhlanhla. uBradley Grobler is leading the pack in terms of ukushaya amagoli noma semdala, and then khona uMayo ufikile eKaizer Chiefs already washaya igoli, uDion naye highly influential, apolitic Orlando Pirates, so kunama-player already, uNuno Santos kuMamelodi Sundowns. So ama-player-ke lawa abaluleke kakhulu for ama-team wabo, and ama-team wabo they feel ukuthi bathathe iy'nqumo ezi-right kakhulu ukuthi basayine lama-player because aya-prove-a lama-player ukuthi aya-deserve ngempela ukudlalela lama-team. Sizibambelana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Before ngiyivala le nto le, i-question yami ukuthi ubani i-player wena obona ngathi a good signing or i-best signing ku-P_S_L? Danko bafethu.